Hey, let me ask you something. Have you ever watched an English movie or listened to a native English speaker and thought, wait, what did they just say? It's like they're not even speaking English anymore. It feels so fast. Words are disappearing, sounds are melting together, and your brain is like, hey, slow down. I'm still processing the first sentence. If you feel this way, you're not alone. I've been there too. And today, we're going to have a deep, friendly, real talk about how to understand fast English. What makes it so tricky? What's really going on when native speakers talk quickly? And how you can finally start understanding it. Clearly, confidently, and comfortably. So grab your headphones, sit back, and let's dive into it. Understanding fast English. What's the problem? All right, let's begin by understanding the actual problem. When people say, I don't understand fast English, they often think the problem is speed. But here's the secret. The real problem isn't speed. It's connected speech. It's the way native English speakers blend words, drop sounds, reduce syllables, and use rhythm that's very different from textbook English. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you read this sentence. What are you going to do? That's clear, right? Easy to read. Now listen to a native speaker say it quickly. What are you gonna do? It's the same sentence, but it sounds totally different. And that's where learners get confused. They know the words. They understand grammar. But when someone speaks naturally and quickly, it feels like a different language. Why native English sounds so fast, even when it's not. Let's talk about what actually happens in fast English. Connected speech. This is when words connect together. Instead of saying each word separately, native speakers blend them. For example, I want to becomes I wanna, did you becomes didya, what do you mean becomes what do you mean. Reduction. Some words become smaller, almost invisible. Going to, gonna, want to, wanna, have to, got to, gotta. These reduced forms are everywhere in casual speech. Linking sounds. When one word ends with a consonant and the next starts with a vowel, they connect. Pick it up sounds like peekied up. Turn it on, turned on. Dropped. Sounds, native speakers often drop sounds to speak faster. Friend of mine, friend of mine, next day, next day. Rhythm and intonation. English is a stress-timed language. Some words are stressed, some are weak. Native speakers focus on content words, nouns, verbs, adjectives, while function words, prepositions, articles, are softer or swallowed. All these things together make English sound super fast, even when it's not. You're not hearing every word clearly because they're not all fully pronounced. How to train your ears to understand fast English. Now let's talk about solutions, because yes, you can train your ears. You just need the right mindset and method. Here's a full guide, step by step. Step 1. Stop listening for individual words. When you listen to fast English, don't expect to hear every single word clearly. That's not how real English works. Instead, listen for meaning. Listen to the whole sentence, the tone, the emotion, the rhythm. Think of it like music. You don't listen to a song by focusing on every single note. You feel the rhythm, the flow, the mood. Same with English. Step 2. Learn the common reductions and contractions. This is super important. Native speakers use contractions all the time. You should recognize them instantly. Let's take a few examples. Full form. Fast English. I am going to. I'm gonna. Did you eat? Did you eat? What do you want? What do you want? I would have told you. I'd have told you. Let me help you. Let me help you. Make a list of 20 to 30 of these and repeat them daily. Listen, speak, shadow. Step 3. Use the shadowing technique. Shadowing means you listen to a native speaker and immediately repeat what they say, with the same speed, rhythm, and tone. This is one of the most powerful tools for improving listening and speaking at the same time. Start with short clips, 5 seconds. Pause, repeat, then longer. Then try without pausing. You'll start hearing the little sounds you were missing before. Step 4. Use real-life listening material. Forget robotic textbook audio. You need real native English. Here's what to use. YouTube videos with subtitles, TV shows and Netflix series podcasts with transcripts, TED Talks, interviews. Pick content that you enjoy. If you like comedy, use comedy. If you like business, find business podcasts. The more you enjoy it, the more your brain pays attention. Step 5. Practice active listening, not passive. Don't just hear English, study it. Here's how. Choose a short clip, 30 to 60 seconds. Listen once with subtitles. Listen again without subtitles. Write down what you hear. Check the transcript. Play again and repeat after the speaker. This is active listening. You're training your ears and brain. Step 6. Slow down the audio, then speed up. On YouTube, podcasts, and apps like TED, you can slow down the audio to 0.75x or 0.5x. Start slow. Catch the pronunciation. Then slowly increase the speed back to normal. You'll notice how your brain adapts to the rhythm. Step 7. Get used to different accents. English sounds different in every country. American, British, Australian, Indian, African, Canadian. Expose yourself to a variety of accents. It will make you more flexible and confident in real conversations. Step 8. Focus on phrases, not words. When native speakers talk fast, they don't speak word by word. They speak in chunks, like, "How's it going? What's up? I'm not sure. I gotta go." You know what I mean? Learn these common phrases. They repeat everywhere. The more you recognize them, the easier fast English becomes. Step 9. Practice speaking fast English yourself. You might think, but I want to understand, not speak. Here's the trick. When you speak fast English yourself, your brain starts predicting patterns. Try this exercise. Read a short sentence in normal speed. Then read it again faster. Then again, like a native. You'll begin to feel the natural flow of English. Step 10. Don't panic. Be patient. Your brain is amazing. But it needs time. The first time you hear fast English, it's noise. The 5th time you catch a few words. The 10th time you understand the meaning. That's how progress happens. Bit by bit, layer by layer. So be kind to yourself. Don't say, "I'm bad at English." Say, "I'm learning. I'm training my ears, I'm improving. Real example. Let's practice together. Let's try it live. I'll say a sentence slowly, then naturally. Slow. What do you want to do this weekend? Natural. What do you want to do this weekend? Now you try repeating it. First slow, then natural. Another one. Slow. Did you get my message? Natural. Did ya get my message? Once you do this daily, your brain gets faster and faster. How long does it take to understand fast English? That's a great question. For most learners, if you practice actively, even 15 to 30 minutes a day, you can start seeing big results in 4 to 6 weeks. That doesn't mean you'll understand everything, but you'll stop feeling lost in fast conversations. You'll catch the main ideas. You'll feel more confident. Remember, consistency greater than perfection. Bonus tip: record yourself. This might feel weird, but trust me, it's powerful. Record yourself, reading reduced sentences, shadowing native speakers, speaking fast phrases. Then play it back. Listen, compare, improve. Over time, you'll sound more natural and understand more naturally too. Final thoughts. So, my friend, if you've been struggling to understand fast English, just know this. You're not broken. You're not bad at English. You're just not used to how native English really sounds. Textbook English is clean. Real English is messy, fast, emotional, full of reductions and shortcuts. But with the right practice, your ears can learn. Your brain can adapt. And soon, very soon, you'll go from, "What did they say?" to, "Oh, I got it." So don't give up. Start small, practice daily, enjoy the process, and trust yourself. If you want a challenge, here's a fun challenge for the next 7 days. Pick a 1-minute native English video every day. Listen, shadow, repeat, understand. Write down the tricky parts. Practice the reduced forms. Do this for 1 week and tell me, did your ears feel sharper? I promise. It'll change how you feel about English. Thanks for listening. Thank you for spending time with me today. If this talk helped you, share it with a friend who's also learning English. And remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is progress. Keep listening. Keep learning. Keep growing. You're doing better than you think.